Hello viewers, welcome to IT Combo. In this tutorial we are going to learn about kernel. So there are some data out there and I want to classify them into two. How can I do so? And using SVM I can easily classify these data out there into two by drawing a hyperplane. But what about this data out there? Can I draw a hyperplane out there? Obviously not. For that reason I have to take the help of kernel. So what is kernel? Let's see. Let's draw. This is the data out there and it is plotted x and y. Okay, so let's make another variable z equal x squared plus y squared. Okay, now if I plot the data z in this axis, x in this axis and y in this axis, then I'll be having a graph like this one. Okay, the data out there will be separable into these two. This is the red data out there and this is the blue data out there. Now if I draw a hyperplane out there, okay, let's draw a hyperplane. Let's say this is the hyperplane, then I can easily differentiate this data out there into two. So this is how the kernel works. It increases the dimension and makes the data separable. So let's see out there. Let's say this is the data and by using kernel I am increasing the dimension out there and making the data separable through using a hyperplane. And if I see this data into 2D structure, then I will be having a structure like this one. For this data I am having a circle. For another type of data it can be of any shape. Let's say it can be of this type of shapes too. So this is all for kernel. So kernel makes data separable in spite of being linearly not separable data. So thanks for watching. I'll be having a new topic in the next tutorial. Thank you.